Hello guys, welcome to Course of Polish. Just a quick update. I wanted to show you what I've created on the website recently. So after you navigate to my website, go to Grammar to Noun Declension Summary of Endings. I've created here a summary of all the endings that you can have during noun declension. There are three tables. The first one is for masculine nouns, second one for feminine nouns, and the third one for neuter nouns. So every ending has rules. You can hover over every ending to see the rules. You can also click this footnote number to read the same rule if you prefer to read it this way instead of inside the tooltip. So right now I see all the rules for feminine endings. I can click here to go back up to the table. It highlighted me this footnote. Another feature of this table is this switch in the corner. So for some cases, the endings are the same for a couple different cases. For example, accusative has the same endings as nominative in plural number. So instead of this, you can click this switch to see the actual endings. Here we have locative, nominative, genitive. If I click this, I see just endings. So I hope that's useful. Another thing, every ending has a table with examples. You can click this button to see the table. So now I've been moved to article about masculine plural nouns in nominative case. I can go to a different case, for example, to accusative case. So now I have endings for this case. I can click here to scroll to the correct position in the article. What else? So every case also has its own summary of endings. For example, here locative. Again, we have just three tables, masculine, feminine, and neuter, but these tables are only for locative case. They have the same information, the same rules, it's just a different scope. And you can also click here to see the examples. So now I have examples for the ending with softening. For some articles, I have detailed information about how to create these endings. In the future, I'm planning to create these like equations for all the different articles. So for example, here we have the word telephone, which has this ending in locative singular case. So to create the form, we have to take the stem, then soften the hard consonant, and at the end we have to attach the ending. We get the final form, telephonium. For example, lev has a common irregularity, which is mobile irregularity. So in this case, we have to not only attach the ending and soften the stem, but we also have to remove this letter from the stem. So after we do that, you see we have the L from the stem, then we are removing the E letter, then we have the softening and the ending, lwie. All right, what else? Another thing is noun declinator. So you can practice all these declinations on your own. So under this table there is button practice in noun declinator. After you click it, it generates an exercise for you. You can write here the answers. You can use these buttons to enter Polish characters. Every time you have a problem with a noun, you can click learn to go to the specific article to learn about it. On the bottom there is a check answers button, which shows you the correct answers and it also the wrong answers and the correct answers. You can click change settings to create a different exercise. You can choose which genders you want to practice, which cases you want to practice, and how many nouns do you want to have in exercise. Start practice. So now I have 20 nouns. To enter this noun declinator, you can go to exercises, then grammar, nouns, declension, noun declinator. Alright, that's everything that I've recently added to the website. If you are interested, you can also check other things on my website. For example, there are exercises for all the tenses. After you enter an exercise, it shows you your current score, and you can continue with the incorrect answers or restart the exercise.
Śmiać się.
Śmieją się. You can write the answer without the Polish characters. It will accept the answer.
Żyć. Obserwować.
That's the
Rysować.
interactive exercise for present tense. And at the end you can see your score. You can click finish. The website remembers your current progress, so you can always come back to this exercise. Alright, that's everything that I wanted to show you. I hope you will enjoy my website. Tell me in the comments what should I add to the website, what should I change. Maybe you have some interesting feedback. I'm all ears. And well, good luck in learning Polish.